Good morning. I'm out at Kanuga Bike Park. It's about 10:30 in the morning. It's on a Wednesday, first part of February. I just rode up to the top. Right in front of me is the place to rest. A little house up here at the very top of the hill. The trails are over there, straight ahead, over there, back there. So this is the top section where all the trails allow you to come up here and you can pick which trail you want to ride. I'm going to go down a trail called Rondo Ruckus. It's a trail that does not have a lot of jumps or features. It has a lot of big berms. It's a fairly smooth trail, and I've been up here for a couple of days and I've been unable to ride it because it's been wet. I'm not sure how it'll be this morning, but we'll take a look at it. Also this morning, I'm riding a bike that I call Big Bird. Also call it Lindsay Lohan. It's an Intense Tazer. This bike has a 29 wheel in the front and a 27.5 in the back. On the front fork, I have a Lyric, a RockShox Lyric, a front fork, which is not the top of the line, but it's a good fork. The fork has been modified. It has a Sakis negative air chamber expansion on the bottom of it. It also has an MRP ramp control, which will allow me to adjust how far down the shock will compress. And I also have a modification to the compression and rebound dampening. I have a push damper installed in it. So even though it's not a top of the line front fork, it is quite capable and particularly good for here at Kanuga. This bike has a Shimano E8000 motor, 504 watt-hour battery. I have XT brakes on this bike. I normally run with Magura MT5 brakes, but on this bike I have Shimano XT, and the reason is this has a adjustment that it basically allows me to adjust how much the front brake will stop the bike. It's sort of like an ABS, so you can grab the front brake as hard as you want, but it won't stop the front wheel. What it'll do is scrub off some speed and it'll allow the brake to stop much more quickly, and that helps a lot when you're going downhill and you want to go fast into a berm. This shock has a DVO Topaz rear shock on it, and I have a 9-speed drivetrain pushing off from with a Shimano Dior derailleur and a Box 2 e-bike shifter. It also has a dropper post on the bike, which allows me to put the seat up when I'm pedaling uphill, and when I'm going downhill, the seat goes down to allow me to stay out of my way so I can move my weight around more easily. Anyway, that's a bike. That's where I am. And let's go see how Rondo Ruckus is this morning. Get my Garmin thing going here. There we go. We're all set. I think the suspension's pretty good for this. I probably need to put in, just make it a little firmer. There's not any real drops or anything on this, so I don't want it to brake dive on me any more than it needs to. So Kanuga's a man-made bike park, incredibly well maintained. No leaves or any kind of junk on the trail when you're out riding. And here we go. Woo! Yep, the trail's still a little wet in here. Gotta be a little careful. First part, as I get down into it, it will be dried. It will have dried out, I'm pretty sure. Woo! Yeah, got a little jump going there. Go high, Big G. Go high. Go high, go high, go high, go high. There you go. Somebody's cheating. Going over those berms. Yeah, boy. Here we go. Now, This is a great jump here. Woo! Cleared it, good. Easy to clear, by the way. This section the other day was in real bad shape. It's dried out quite a bit. There's only one line though, so you better pick it carefully. Woo! There we go. All right, coming through here pretty good. The bird's flapping his wings for sure. Good job. Yep. Here we go. Yep, a little hot in there. Nice wide berm here. Comes out. This section's a little off camera. Sometimes mess it up. I did okay there today. All right. Now, coming up on the hardest part of this whole trail. Although it's gonna look probably pretty easy on this video, the trail angles down and you got to position the bike right after this berm or you will go down. The trail's angled down to my right. I'm having to angle the bike over to compensate for that. Last big berm. Here we go. Now, I'm going to continue this ride down into a place called First in Flight. It's the bottom section. Good job, Big Bird. Almost got that one. Yep, pretty good. Pretty stout, pretty stout. Okay, well, there we go. Tight, yeah. Yep. I can feel where I tighten that suspension. It's not giving me a lot here on this one. All right, this is a fun little section in here. It's quick. You twist the bike hard and there. Let's see if I can clear this. Got it good. Got it good. Ooh, that's muddy. Ooh, that's one of my favorite parts of this trail is getting that berm tight and hard. Okay, we're winding her down here. There we go. That was Rondo Ruckus and First in Flight. First thing in the morning. Let's head back up. See if we can find another one.